Hi everyone, Josh May from Riccar Vacuums. Congratulations on your R17 vacuum cleaner purchase. We're going to show you how to assemble and put it together. Pretty easy. All you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and something to cut open the box. Your owner's book with the 17 tune-up card in it. Go ahead and take the handle out of the packaging as well. You'll see here that there is 2 screws right here. Drop our cord hook out of the way. Take off the lower one. And then the upper one. Okay, now we're going to take the handle, slide it up here on the 2 posts. So all we had to do now is just put the screws back in, mount the handle into place, secure it to the machine, and our machine is almost ready to work. We just got to take off this little protective cover, and your Riccar R17 vacuum is ready to clean your home.